Welcome sa part 3 ng ating lesson sa basic algebra. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang combining like terms. Alin sa mga expressions na ito ay like terms. Take note, kapag sinabi nating like terms, yun yung mga terms na kung saan yung kanilang variables are the same at saka yung kanilang exponent are also the same. So in short, parehas yung kanilang literal coefficient. In this case, itong 3x at 2x, sila yung magkapareho, right? So pareho yung kanilang variable which is x at saka meron silang exponent na also 1. So pwede natin i-combine yung 2x at saka 3x. So yung ginagawa natin kapag nagko-combine is kinakopy natin yung variable, so x, and then ina-add lang natin yung kanilang numerical coefficient. In this case, we have 2 and 3, so that is 5x. Okay? Next, meron na ditong like terms na 2x squared at saka 4x squared. So pareho sila ng literal coefficient or yung variable the same, yung exponent the same. So copy natin yung x squared at saka yung i-add lang natin is yung 2 at saka 4. So yung sagot is 6x squared. Take note, itong 5x at saka itong 6x squared, they are not like terms. So hindi na natin pitong pwede pang makombine. Okay? So ganun lang itatandaan kapag nagko-combine tayo ng like terms. Kaya pakifollow ang page na to for the part 4.